So today's recipe is going to be Japanese fried salmon called sake. And I've already kind of started because you have to prepare the salmon before, like 24 hours before it's better. Anyway, so the best thing you have to do is get decent salmon, which is hard to find if you don't live near the ocean, which I don't right now. So I was able to find some decent salmon fillets. I chopped them up into 3 fillets, and then you generously salt them with some sea salt. Cover them with paper towels and saran wrap and put them in your refrigerator for 24 hours. So I did that yesterday. So now we're going to cook them, and basically it's very simple. I've already made or started the rice, and which is what we'll eat it with. So basically you want to now fry this. I'm going to use some butter inside the frying pan, and we're going to fry this for about 3.5 minutes each side, and then you're done. So I'll let you know what it looks like when I'm finished. Easy and simple. Put that on medium heat. We're going to cook that for 3 minutes on each side. Let's not forget the most important ingredient in any single man recipe that I put out. Beer or rum and coke. Let's just flip that baby over. Another 3 minutes on this side. Okay, I did 3 minutes on each side. Remove it from the heat. And that's your salted salmon. In Japanese it's called sake. We're going to come over to the rice maker, check on the rice. Seems to be done. Okay, we're gonna plate that. I'll show you what it looks like after I'm done. And there we have it. Japanese sake and rice, and I have some seaweed there, and I'll eat this with an ice cold beer. That's the best way to eat this meal. I'll put the recipe in detail in the description. If you use my recipe and it works out for you, or you have any questions, please comment. And stay tuned for more single man recipes that I've learned living all over the world, and exposure to all kinds of different people and cultures.